Guys, I'm Nate from Good Mayhem Racing. Today we are not in my garage. I am inside a post-weld heat treat furnace, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Anytime that we have big giant parts in my industry that need to be welded, oftentimes you have to put them in a big giant oven afterwards, and this is one of those ovens. We will actually cook the parts to relax them and to reduce some stresses that might be inside those welds. So this is what it looks like. It's a big giant box of ceramic insulation. Is the same kind of stuff that's on the space shuttle, and it just gets all woven and packed in to this big giant furnace. And then there's big giant temperature probes, we call these things thermocouples, that will monitor the air that is on fire in here. It's a furnace, right? So it's pretty much a continuous fireball. It's a great way to imagine it. And the burners are over here. These will squirt out flames underneath the parts. These are burners up here. They squirt out flames over the parts, and it has this big giant convection flow to it. And yeah, we'll get this thing up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, sometimes even 1400 degrees. And it is crazy to think about what's actually happening to these parts. From a temperature control standpoint though, we will actually take a temperature probe or a thermocouple, and we will weld it, tack weld it to these parts so that it can monitor temperature. This is something that I thought was really kind of cool that you could see. Here is the car bottom. The whole thing just moves out to the front, so you can put the parts in with a forklift or any bit of equipment. In this case, we have a lot of random like barbecue pit stuff because we were putting in tiny parts. This entire car bottom goes back inside the furnace and heat treats stuff. So thanks so much for watching. See you out in the desert, if not my garage, and maybe at work.